Oh no, Daddy forgot to give the babies the daily bread. Because guess what? I moved them to a different cage. Why did I do that? Because it's easier to take one cage out and clean it, put it in the nitrogen-rich compost pile, and then put them in a different cage and rotate them so that I can make it easier on myself. But yeah, Daddy forgot to give them their daily bread, and they love their bread. And when you train them like this, they'll come running for that bread when they get bigger. They won't ignore you. You can wave it in your hand all the way across the yard, and they will come running for it. So, just a tip. Give them their daily bread, just like you want to give your daily bread to your flock. Because your flock, if you think about it, the way it's spoken of, they need their daily bread. And their daily bread could be religion, but it's also substance. Anyways, they're having fun with this, and they're enjoying every part of it. And this is what you should be doing to train your chickens to follow you anywhere they want to. Just hold up a piece of bread, and they'll follow you anywhere. Thanks for watching.